Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. I want to talk to you about the one stock, guys, that we've been mentioning time and time again. The one stock that I've talked about that I said it's getting ready for a big breakout, so get ready for it. And that was Amazon. I've been mentioning Amazon now for the last probably 3-4 weeks, saying, you know what, guys, I'm keeping an eye on Amazon, keeping an eye on Amazon. And I got into Amazon. I'm like, get ready for Amazon, get ready for Amazon. And I was watching Amazon and watching it, and I was saying to everyone, even my private clients, right, I was saying, look, guys, we're squeezing up into this pattern, we're squeezing up into this level through here, and now we're squeezing up. And even last week I mentioned this squeezing, this small little squeezing up here. I'm like, we're probably getting ready for a nice little breakout soon coming on Amazon. We had this very nice sort of ascending sort of triangle pattern, squeezing up low, higher low, a higher low, a higher low. So we're squeezing up. And the key point about this sort of ascending triangle pattern that's happening through here is that the key about this is that when you get the market running up and then you get a little pullback towards the end, that's the key. That's what I call a blast off move. This blast off move is all about having where we have this resistance here and we're squeezing up towards the end of this long term, sort of not much going on. We get a little bit of a pullback and then bam, right, it breaks out. This little pullback through here is the key to making, to me having what I call having a blast off move. That's exactly what's happened today. Look at this here, Amazon up almost 5%. Actually, we just over 4.5% in one day. Probably one of the biggest days we've seen in Amazon for quite some time. And so that's why I'm personally in it. And I hope you guys were sort of listening to me as well too last week when I said that. I just kept mentioning it like, guys, we're probably getting ready for a breakout soon. And Amazon definitely did have that very nice breakout when it comes to this. Now I see a lot more upside coming when it comes to Amazon. If we're looking at some sort of a target basis, we can use the channel. So we go from the high of the channel. So we have this the high of the channel. Then we go down to the low of the channel. And then we actually move it and we go back to the upside. So I see Amazon probably hitting around the 4,200 level is probably where a target is going to be for me on Amazon. And then it's probably going to go a lot higher than that, just based on where the momentum is, based on the tech sector right now as well too. So that's what I'm seeing through there when it comes to Amazon, guys. Again, what I saw happening is happening right now, and it is breaking out. And I actually see a lot more upside to come